In this class we will know some functions performed by mouse buttons in Inventor, which will greatly facilitate the work in the software. Let's start by opening the available file, and for this, on the Inventor home screen we click on Open, select the class file and click on Open. Alright, see we have a key with the geometry shown. We will first look at the functions of the left mouse button. This button is used to activate commands when we click on them and also to select geometries and guides. The scroll of the mouse, or center wheel, performs the functions of the pan and zoom commands. When we press the center wheel and move the mouse to the sides, the piece is moved, that is, the command pan is executed. To execute the zoom command, simply turn the wheel, bringing the piece closer to or away from the screen. By default, in Inventor, the backward mouse scroll brings the piece closer and forward. You can reverse this setting by clicking on File, Options and on the Display tab under Zoom Behavior, checking the box Reverse Direction. The right mouse button opens boxes for various functions, depending on where the click is. For example, when we right-click an empty space on the desktop, with an open template, several options appear. Let's look at some of them for the part file. New Sketch allows you to create a new sketch by selecting a plane or a face. And Measure allows you to check measurements such as distance, angle and area. Now, right-clicking on the browser we have fewer options displayed, among them, Expand All, which shows the entire modeling sequence of the component. And Collapse All, which retracts all secondary items in the folders, showing only the main features. Proceeding, we open a sketch and right-click on the desktop to see the options displayed. We have options to create lines, circles, rectangles, among others. We also have the option Finish 2D Sketch, which we use to inform the software that we have finished creating sketch. The Finish Sketch option on the toolbar performs the same function. To finish, we will look at some options that arise when we right-click on a feature in the browser. Delete deletes the feature. Show Dimensions displays the dimensions quoted in the profile. Edit Sketch allows editing the sketch and, after editing, it is necessary to close the sketch to update the template. Edit feature allows you to edit the operation and it is necessary to confirm or cancel the changes to exit the edit. We have seen in this class some important functions accessed by mouse buttons, which allow us to save time during modeling.